Don't tell me that you don't know that there is a particular tool on FL that will allow you to master your song. It is called FL Cloud Mastering. It is web-based integrated service, that mastering service that will allow you to master your song quickly. Maybe you need to drop your song quickly on YouTube, on Spotify, on Apple Music, on you want to have it on your CD or SoundCloud. It is a web-based AI mastering service that is input in FL. So you need to know. If you don't know, come, let me show you. Yeah, all right. Talking about this cloud mastering on FL. So it's very, very simple. So the first thing you need to do is to bring in your audio. I have this audio as a sample. So you bring in your audio, and what you have to do now is come to your file. When you go to your file, go to export, and when you get to export, go to master. When you go to master, let's rename it as my sub. Yeah, my sub, and the output, our output, where we're going to be saving the audio. Let's see, desktop and output format. Yeah, output format. I need both the wave and the MP3. Quality 512. I'll do that now. Then for this particular place, I need this for Amazon Music or Apple Music. No. Amazon Music, Deezer Music. So for any platform that you need this particular song for, maybe you need to drop this beat for on SoundCloud, on YouTube, on Spotify. You have all the precepts here, and it's just, and if you just need the master for, maybe you want to drop it on CDs, and you have all the precepts. You just pick up your precept, then start. Boom. It's just as simple as that. That's just very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple. Everybody should be able to do this. Alright. So I think the process is up now. So you can listen to the two of them separately. This is the original.
GXP.
So that's the original, and this is the mastered one. So if you think you cannot go through the normal mastering process and you quickly need to do your, to master your songs, it's very good for you. So if you know that you don't want to go through the normal mastering process, this is very good for you. And if this video is very educational for you, kindly share and follow for more tips. Bless up.